Alright, so quick video for you guys if you break your door handle on your S2000. Something that'll save you a lot of time would be this little hook tool. It's used to rebuild TPMS sensors at tire shops. They're dirt cheap. You can go to any discount tire or, you know, just any tire servicing place. They should have something for this if you can't find one on your own. It saves you a huge headache because you have to dig your way underneath through here, and it's pretty hard to see, but I have a second door handle to show you guys. So this is what the back of it looks like, and there's a retaining clip down here, down on that runs along this ridge. That is this. So this fits in here like so. So the only way to pull it out would be if you have a hook device, or the forums say to use pliers or whatever. But if you use the hook method like I suggest, you can feel for this little divot down here. There's a little divot, and then once you find that divot, well, I guess I'll use the hook. So once you find this little divot right here with your hook, you just pull down like so, and then you pull, and you just keep putting pressure forward, and you keep pulling out, and eventually you will take the entire clip off. And then once you do that, it's only these two bolts. These are the ones that are the most notable. I mean, these are going to be the first things you see when you try to take it off. And then once these two 10 mils are off, and then you take this clip out, you just pull it out like so, and then you mark off this little rod, which is threaded. Come on, focus. This little rod is threaded right here, so make sure you mark off where your original one is, and then take that off, and you have yourself a new door handle that's not broken like this one. So this is before, this is after, and I mean, movie magic, this will be done soon. It's finished. So, yep, pretty simple fix. Just takes a little bit of know-how, and just couldn't find anything on the forums. So actually, when I was taking out the old door handle, I found something that might help you guys out. So on the inside of the car, you're going to see this bracket that's holding in the door handle, and you can see that this little slit down here is where that little C-clip went, and you can see where you can kind of sort of feel out with your little hook where to pull out that retaining clip. So it's really hard to do with pliers. It's a lot easier to do with the hook method. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to put it back in yet. I think I'm going to use shear force. Accord 2 doors. Some of you guys use the same door handles as us, S2000 owners, so hope this helps people. And this idea and marking the rod did not work as great as I thought it did. The threads actually cleaned off the mark. So just count the threads and try to match that up. That's probably going to be your easiest bet. Thanks. See you guys next time.